Hi, I'm Certified Master Inspector Sean Williams. Join me as I guide you through the Colorado House of Horrors. You'll learn how to perform a home inspection and compile an inspection report. You utilize home inspection tools to inspect the defects that you spot. You'll train and advance your skills in performing inspections and finding all the defects at InterNACHI's House of Horrors. During the training, you'll perform an inspection of the House of Horrors, learn how to spot defects, understand why there are defects, utilize inspection tools such as GFCI testers, learn how to write an inspection report, create a mock inspection report using the checklist provided, and much more. So join me for Home Inspection Training Day. I'll see you there.